and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Today, let's see what kind of return for School of Management Delhi can really deliver. From program to placements, we are covering it all fact by fact. Hello and welcome back to Career Choice 360. 4 is located at B18 Qutub Institutional Area in New Delhi, which is 110016. It is in South Delhi, well connected by Delhi Metro and major road networks, making it accessible from across the city and NCR. The courses which offered by 4 are PGDM General, PGDM in International Business, PGDM in Financial Management, PGDM in Big Data Analytics, and the Fellow Program in Management. All PGDM programs are AICTE approved and considered equivalent to MBA. Now talking about the rankings and legacy. So it's established in 1981. Ford has more than 40 years of academic legacy. It ranked second among private B schools in Delhi. Now talking about the admission criteria. So a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks are eligible to take admission in FSM. The exams which are accepted are CAT, XAT or GMAT. Typical cutoffs are CAT, XAT around 84 percentile and the GMAT around 650. The selection weightage for 2025 admissions are for entrance exam the weightage is 25% and for academics is 20%, work experience is 10%, personal interview is 20%, extemporaries are 5% and the diversity factors are 10%. Also 4 clearly state that admissions are merit based with no third party involvement. Coming towards the most important part which is placement. So for the batch 2025, the average package was 16.8 LPA, the highest package was 29 LPA, and the median package was 15.2 LPA. 138 recruiters are participated, in which 45 of them are first-time recruiters. 49 pre-placement offers were made. Now comes on seats intake. 4 offers means come merit-based scholarship to students. The seats intake at the Delhi campuses are for PGDM the seats are 240. For PGDM International Business, the seats are 120. And for the PGDM Financial Management, the seats are 180. For PGDM Big Data Analytics, the seats are 60. Additionally, intake of the Gurgaon off campus, 60 seats each for PGDM and BDA, which is Big Data Analytics. To sum up, Ford School of Management is a well-established Delhi-based school with strong industry connections, transparent admissions, drivers program, and steadily improving placement outcomes. That's our fact-based review of 4. For more such detailed B school reviews, make sure to subscribe Career Choice 360.